how to restore deleted contact on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this following video, I'll show you step-by-step procedure on how can you restore deleted contact on Android device. In order to begin it, so go ahead and open up your contacts. As you go to contacts, now first of all, let me go ahead and delete this particular number. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the delete button, or just long press on it, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the bin icon and click on move to trash. So after you're here, you could actually go ahead and click on the initials and locate or go to contact settings. You might find a trash icon. However, this actually depends on the type of devices that you're using, so I have it on the organize. As you click on the organize button, or then you want to go ahead and locate the trash. So as you could see, this is the one, so I can go ahead and click on it and I'm going to go ahead and restore it. However, if it is deleted from the bin as well, then what next you could do is exit out of this page and open up your device's settings. So over here, you want to go to accounts and select the particular account or Google account. So I had it right over here and I'm going to go to Google account. So here you want to go to people and sharing. As you go to it, you want to go ahead and locate contacts, and when you open up the contact page, you could find a list of information. And here you want to tap on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen and go to trash. And right on this page, you should be able to find your information, or you should be able to go ahead and locate the contact that recently deleted. So that's the way you could go ahead and do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.